Look at that. Look at the color. So what are we going to do with that red coffee machine?
To the bin.
So the problem with this is the
Boiler for the steaming the milk does not work anymore.
the boiler from the milk. You see.
And looking inside, it's been leaking. The plumbing has been leaking, so it's all corroded inside. And eventually the water. There's not supposed to be water in here. There's water, but eventually it's going to go.
Well, that is a bummer because I love the color.
Yes.
It's red and
Pretty, but it doesn't work.
yeah, it's only pretty face. This one is more masculine to me, no? See? That is more feminine because it's red and shiny, pretty face. 100% ECM, handmade and assembled in Italy and Germany. So for the coffee machine, it is just a easy fizzy. You just put this capsule and that's it.
Well, that's the reason we've been talking.
Yeah,
But if you want
quick.
cold milk and latte or cafe con leche or whatever, then you need a coffee maker.
This is the hose. The cup. It's light. The scoop. What is this called?
Called a portafilter.
Portafilter. So we have two.
So we're supposed to have the machine, one portafilter, filter cup, blind filter, tamper.
Oh, this is the tamper. Okay.
Metal hose, cleaning brush.
Metal hose. This is the metal hose.
Cleaning brush is here.
Yes, cleaning brush and
Everything's there in the manual.
manual. Oh, good. So this is called stopper.
Tamper.
Tamper. Like a stethoscope. See?
You seem to be fixated on dentists and doctors.
Yeah, because we have a schedule next week. I like the combination stainless and black. Open up like that and pour some water in it.
It's rising up now.
Oh yes. So this is the boiler gauge?
Pressure gauge.
Pressure gauge, yeah. So it will stop at 1.5.
1.25.
1.25, okay. And how about this one? This is the pressure. What is this for?
That is pressure in the steam, I think.
Ah yes, for this, for the milk and water. And this number here, 1.25, it will stop.
Supposed to.
So you're using the old cup? There's no cup in here? It's
You can
not.
buy them as accessories, but they're
Ah, I
there's
see.
no point. I've got.
Oh yeah, okay. I thought this is included. Wow. Oh, I like that sound. You're more well versed on this coffee machine. You're a certified coffee lover. Look at that. Look at the color. And it's quiet, no? Oop. Something is spitting out in here.
It releases the pressure.
Whoa. I like the sound of it. Look at the foam. And then the milk. Oh yes. Oh.